No, when I get home, I think I'm gonna have myself some beans, 'cause you know I loves my beans. Oh, Lordy. Come on now, let's cross here. Whoa! Hang on. You're right, okay, kid? We can't just plumb forget to use the safe cross code. When we're crossing the road, you got to use the safe cross code. Howdy, partners. I'm the Seatbelt Sheriff. Yeehaw! Would you mind showing me again how the safe cross code goes? 1, look for a safe place. 2, don't hurry, stop and wait. 3, look all around and listen before you cross the road. Remember, 4, let all the traffic pass you. 5, walk straight across. In 6, keep watching. And that's the safe cross code. Yeehaw! Thanks so much, okay, kid?
Okay.
Let's cross the road. Come on now. Now, here we are at the other side of the road. Come on now. Shall we head for home?
Okay.
My house is this way. This where I got the beans. Beans. Beans, 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 beans. Beans, 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 beans.